their data and remember Bigfoot Believe and Go Kayaking Vintage Shirt highly successful games and franchises by being stubborn and making drastic changes to winning formula, just because they think they know better than their own player base. Just look at PUBG. H1Z1. Destiny 2 lost 78% of its player base 6 weeks after it launched with a lot of much derided changes to the D1 formula. The Division. Outriders. Bigfoot Believe and Go. Bigfoot Believe and Go Kayaking Vintage Shirt, Tank Top, V-Neck, Sweatshirt and Hoodie. Bigfoot Believe and Go Kayaking Vintage Shirt, Sweatshirt, Tank Top, V-Neck, Hoodie. We're proudly one among only a few who really researches every vacation and special occasion previous to publishing them. Did you know? There are actually hundreds of holidays, particular occasions and observances, multiple for day after day of the year. In case your sign ranges are good, you're nearly completed. While Bigfoot Believe and Go Kayaking Vintage Shirt to an area base station, which is then dispatched to a web service supplier. However, Starlink is hoping to be the center man as a substitute between base stations and the web. In case your sign ranges are low, you'll be guided by means of adjusting the other product.